Hello friends, today we're making one of the most elegant and classic cocktails, smoked old-fashioned, a timeless drink with a smoky twist that takes it to the next level. Perfect for parties, special evenings, or when you want to treat yourself to something extraordinary. Let's check out the ingredients and jump right into it. On this channel, we take you on a fascinating journey into the world of drinks. Our goal is to teach you how to make all kinds of amazing beverages from around the world, whether alcoholic or non-alcoholic. From classic cocktails to unique and modern drinks, you'll find everything here. Join us and discover the world of flavors and colors. Ingredients: bourbon or rye whiskey, 50 milliliters. Sugar cube or granulated sugar, 1 piece or half teaspoon. Angostura bitters, 2 to 3 dashes. Large ice cube orange peel for garnish. Small wooden board or wood chips for smoking. Torch old-fashioned glass. Preparing the cocktail: prepare the glass, take your old-fashioned glass and set it aside. We'll smoke it in a bit. 2. Combine the ingredients. Place the sugar cube or granulated sugar in another glass. Add 2 to 3 dashes of Angostura bitters on top of the sugar. Add a splash of water and muddle the sugar until it's fully dissolved. Pour 50 milliliters of bourbon or rye whiskey into the glass and stir gently. 3. Add ice. Add a large ice cube to the glass and stir again to chill and dilute the drink slightly. Part 4. Smoking the glass. 1. Smoke the glass. Place a small wooden board or wood chips on a heat-proof surface. Use the torch to burn the wood until it starts to smoke. Quickly cover the smoke with the old-fashioned glass, trapping it inside. Hold it there for 15 to 20 seconds. 2. Assemble the drink. Flip the glass over, letting the smoke escape. Pour the prepared cocktail into the smoked glass. 3. Garnish and serve. Take the orange peel and gently squeeze it over the drink to release its natural oils. Rub the peel around the rim of the glass for extra aroma, then drop it in as garnish. And there you have it, the smoked old-fashioned, a classic cocktail with an added smoky aroma that elevates its flavor and style. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment below and tell us your favorite cocktail or what you'd like to see us make next. Until next time, stay awesome, drink responsibly, and cheers.